Have you ever wondered what the future of skincare looks like? Picture this: a world where skincare isn't just about applying creams and serums, but about embracing a lifestyle that promotes your skin's natural beauty. Imagine a future where we've kissed complicated routines goodbye, instead opting for simplicity and effectiveness. In this future, we're not bogged down by shelves upon shelves of products. Instead, we're reaching for multitasking wonders that work for us, not against us. Less truly is more. This future isn't a far-off dream, it's right at our fingertips. We're moving towards a time when skincare isn't just a routine, it's a ritual, a moment of self-care, a celebration of self-love. So, what does the future of skincare look like? It looks like you, radiant and glowing, armed with a routine that's as simple as it is effective. Today, it's all about simplicity and effectiveness. We're not just caring for our skin, we're living a lifestyle that promotes its natural beauty. This is a journey that starts from within. In this future of skincare, we're realizing that beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of our overall health and well-being. We are embracing a holistic approach to skincare. Instead of merely focusing on external applications, we're nurturing our bodies from the inside out. This is more than just a routine, it's a lifestyle. And it's one that champions the magic of nature and the power of self-care. Yoga, for instance, is a cornerstone of this lifestyle. It's not just a form of exercise, it's a practice that promotes circulation, releases tension, and rejuvenates the skin. Through deep breathing and mindful movements, yoga allows us to cultivate a sense of inner peace that radiates outward, resulting in a natural, healthy glow. But it's not just about the physical. This lifestyle is also about nourishing ourselves with nutrient-packed foods. You see, beauty isn't just about what we put on our skin, it's also about what we put in our bodies. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids are our secret weapons, supporting collagen production and that enviable glow. They're the fuel that keeps our skin looking radiant and youthful. This approach also extends to mindful eating. We're more conscious of the foods we consume, choosing fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over processed foods. We're savoring each bite, appreciating the nutrients that these foods provide, and celebrating the positive impact they have on our skin. Of course, hydration is key. We're drinking plenty of water and herbal teas, keeping our skin hydrated and flushing toxins out of our bodies. The result? A clear, dewy complexion that's a testament to our healthy lifestyle. Our routines are holistic. They're about embracing nature, nurturing our bodies, and celebrating our natural beauty. They're about living a lifestyle that not only makes our skin glow, but also makes us glow from within. But it's not just about what we put on our skin, it's about the moments we create, the laughter we share, and the memories we make. Skincare is more than a solitary ritual performed in front of a mirror. It's a shared experience, a common thread that unites us all, regardless of age or background. It's about the excitement of discovering a new product, the joy of seeing results, and the satisfaction of having a routine that works. Imagine this. You're at a skincare party, surrounded by friends. You're all trying out a new face mask, laughing at the tingling sensation it brings, and taking selfies to capture the moment. The room is filled with energy and positivity, each individual glowing not just from the mask, but from the happiness of shared experiences. Or picture this. You're at a skincare workshop, where a professional is demonstrating the correct way to apply a facial serum. You're taking notes, learning new techniques, and exchanging tips and tricks with others. It's an environment of shared learning, where everyone is there for the common love of skincare. Think about your mother, sister, or friend who introduced you to your first skincare product. Remember the anticipation of trying it out, the curiosity, the excitement? That's the social aspect of skincare. It's about passing down knowledge, sharing experiences, and bonding over a shared interest. Skincare is not just a routine, it's a lifestyle that we share with others. Whether it's a skincare party, a workshop, or just a casual conversation with friends, these interactions add a social dimension to our skincare routines. They allow us to learn from each other, to grow, and to bond on a deeper level. So remember, the next time you apply that moisturizer or serum, you're not just nourishing your skin, you're part of a larger community. A community that believes in the power of skincare, that values shared experiences, and that understands that skincare is about more than just products. It's about the moments we create, the laughter we share, and the memories we make. Sun protection is non-negotiable. We're embracing SPF as our daily armor against environmental stressors. It's an essential part of this new holistic approach to skincare that goes beyond the surface. It's about safeguarding your skin's health from the inside out and the outside in. You see, the sun's rays, while they give us that much-desired warmth and light, are also full of ultraviolet radiation. This can cause premature aging, skin damage, and even skin cancer. But with the right sun protection, we can enjoy the sun's benefits and minimize its risks. Choosing a broad-spectrum sunscreen, one that protects against both UVA and UVB rays, is key. And applying it generously, not just on sunny days but every day, is a game changer. Yes, even when it's cloudy, UV rays can reach your skin. So let's make sun protection a non-negotiable part of our skincare routine. We're embracing SPF as our daily armor against environmental stressors. Join the movement. It's not just a skincare routine, it's a celebration of self-care, empowerment, and glowing confidence. We are in an era of skincare revolution, where the focus is on nurturing our skin, not just beautifying it. It's not about the number of products you use, but the quality and effectiveness of those selected few. In this revolution, skincare is not a chore, it's a choice. A choice to love yourself, your skin, and to invest in your well-being. It's about embracing the natural beauty that comes from within and allowing it to shine through. It's about feeling good in your skin, every single day. In this skincare revolution, we are saying no to harsh chemicals and yes to nature's bounty. We are turning towards ingredients that are kind and gentle to our skin, that nourish and rejuvenate rather than harm. We are choosing products that are not only good for us but also for our planet. We are also understanding the power of internal beauty, the beauty that stems from a healthy lifestyle. We are learning the importance of hydration, proper nutrition, and regular exercise. We are discovering that beauty is not just skin deep, and that our lifestyle choices directly impact the health and appearance of our skin. We are empowering ourselves with knowledge, understanding the science behind skincare, and making informed choices. We are no longer passive consumers, but active participants in our skincare journey. We are not just following trends, but setting our own, based on what works best for our unique skin. This skincare revolution is inclusive. It celebrates diversity and individuality. It recognizes that there is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to skincare, and that each one of us is uniquely beautiful. So come join this revolution. Embrace the natural beauty lifestyle. Give your skin the love and care it deserves. Because skincare is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a celebration of self-care, empowerment, and glowing confidence. This is the future of skincare. Simple, natural, and oh so effective. We've journeyed through the transformation of skincare routines, exploring the shift from complex regimens to simplicity that delivers results. The mantra of less is more has become our guiding principle. Multitasking wonders have taken the spotlight, allowing us to bid farewell to cluttered shelves and overwhelming product choices. We've embraced a lifestyle that promotes our skin's natural beauty. It's not just about the creams, serums, or masks we apply, it's about the holistic approaches we've adopted. Yoga, mindful eating, and nutrient-packed foods have become integral parts of our routines, nourishing our skin from within and supporting that enviable glow. We've recognized that skincare extends beyond what we put on our skin. It's about the moments we create, the laughter we share, the memories we make. It's about the joy we find in self-care, the empowerment that comes with it, and the radiant confidence we exude. Sun protection, once overlooked, is now non-negotiable. SPF is our daily armor, shielding us from environmental stressors and keeping our skin healthy and radiant. We've invited you to join this movement. A revolution that's about more than just skincare. It's about celebrating self-care, embracing empowerment, and glowing with confidence. It's about creating a lifestyle where your skin's health and radiance are a reflection of your inner glow. So welcome to a lifestyle where your skin shines as bright as you do. This is more than just a skincare routine. It's a celebration of you, your skin, and the beauty that comes from within. It's about embracing a future where skincare is simple, natural, and oh so effective. Discover the future of skincare. Glow with confidence. Welcome to your Skin Glow revolution.